the children, the big traffic, gangster, yeah.
Dr. Frank Malina, pioneer American rocket scientist. He designed and tested the WAC Corporal. But since 1954, with his Italian assistant Nino Callas, he has devoted his powers of invention to making kinetic paintings, moving pictures with lights behind them. He has just finished erecting his largest mural to date at the Pergamon Press, Oxford. It's called Cosmos and depicts the 9 planets, galaxies, star fields, and the sun. Views through telescopes or microscopes and scientific conceptions provide the raw material and starting point for Malina's pictures. For his pictures, he uses cogs and struts from his children's toy Meccano set. One of his earliest experiments was lit from behind with Christmas tree bulbs.